crisps have to be made with fresh potatoes, no more than 24 hours old, otherwise the crisps would have black spots. After a brushing machine removes the dirt, the potatoes travel along a water canal to the peeler. The peeler's abrasive rollers work their magic until the skins come off. This machine can peel 5,500 kilos of potatoes per hour. Next, the potatoes are separated by size. The small ones fall below to be rinsed. The larger ones stay on top to be cut. They then fall down to the rinser too. Next, the potatoes go through slicers. The slicer's blades are adjustable and can be set to different thicknesses or shapes for the ribbed crisp lovers amongst us. The centrifugal force created by the spinning throws the potatoes against the sharp blades. When making regular crisps, an average potato yields 36 crisps. Finally, it's time to wash the potato slices. They spin inside a giant barrel of cold, fresh water for about a minute. Then the slices pass under an air blower to dry the excess water. The fryer contains oil boiling at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes just 3 minutes to fry the potato slices. As the crisps exit the fryer on the conveyor belt, the excess oil drips off. Next comes a shower of salt. The crisps move on to the sorter, where an electronic camera identifies any crisps that have brown spots or other defects. The camera then triggers the thin pipe directly above to blow the offending crisp off the conveyor with a burst of air. Elsewhere in the factory, they're making another popular snack food, puffed cheese balls. First they take corn flour and mix it with water. An extrusion machine forces the mixture through round holes. When the snake-like stream comes out of the other end, a knife cuts them into pieces. The heat in the machine then causes the flour in those pieces to explode, creating slightly curled puffs. They spray the puffs with a mixture of oil, powdered cheese and natural colourings, and a revolving drum mixes it all together. Back in the crisp department, the potato crisps are sprayed with powdered seasoning, which simulate flavours such as barbecue or salt and vinegar. The next machine separates and weighs the portions to be packaged. The crisps drop into bags that are then heat sealed. It takes about 15 minutes to go from raw potato to crisp, a lot longer than it takes to eat them.